Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to identify your iPhone model and model number, so let's get started. If you are curious about your iPhone's specific model and want to learn more details about it, Apple provides a convenient way to access this information. Simply open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to the General section. From there, tap on About and you will find your device model name displayed right under iOS version. Additionally, you can find your device part number to the right of the model number. To reveal the model number, just tap on the part number. Armed with this information, you can then refer to Apple's comprehensive list of iPhone models and model numbers, which includes devices sold in various countries. This will allow you to discover more specific details about your iPhone, making it easier to find accessories, check for software compatibility, or access support resources tailored to your particular device model. Understanding your iPhone's model details has never been easier, thanks to Apple's user-friendly approach. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.